The vision of the startup program that we have at Microsoft is to help startups scale and grow. We provide access to technology, so we help startups to build on Microsoft products on the cloud, on Azure and other Microsoft technologies. We help startups access to corporates and markets where they don't necessarily have a physical presence. We have a community of partners and mentors that can help startups with advice during the journey. Also tap into a community. During the pandemic, we have seen the power of harnessing communities and how important it is for founder, get advice, real advice and world-class advice from other founders in order to build sustainable businesses. I believe that the focus should be more on trying to disrupt customer experiences, which comes with focusing on real problems that customers have, understanding customers in their circumstances, and understand where, through the aid of technology, there might be scalable solutions that have an impact on the life of millions of people. I believe that Dubai can definitely become the next hotspot for innovation and the startup ecosystem. I am super excited that GITEX Future Stars this year is coming back live. This year we are participating to GITEX Future Stars in partnership with Intelac. It's a partnership we announced this year together with Emirates, Dubai Tourism and Accenture in order to help the whole aviation, travel and hospitality industry to rethink and reimagine the future of the whole vertical. What I expect is, especially with GITEX Future Stars happening towards the end of this year, give a message of hope to everyone. A message of really looking at the future with different eyes, with optimism, and always be ready to change. Think twice about who you're going to get in your corner, so who you're going to partner with. Think differently about your competition. Reimagine the future with different eyes. Really be prepared to change.